So, welcome everyone now and in the future. Today, we're going to work with the edges of the body. And I just want to make a disclaimer, if there's any edges you want to skip or you can't feel, that's also totally okay. Just can be with the edges that are there for you. So, coming into a comfortable position, you might want to give yourself the gift of standing up, lying down, but wherever you choose to be, just making sure you're as comfortable as you can. Letting the breath find a natural rhythm. And allow your body to arrive just as it is. And noticing the boundary of clothes on your skin. Maybe you can feel your clothes in certain areas. Or maybe you can more easily feel the chair behind you or underneath you, the bed. Feeling the edges of you meet whatever's behind you or underneath you. And maybe you can feel the air on your skin, your hands, or anywhere your skin meets the air. And notice the quality of your edges. Are they soft or sharp or blurry, fuzzy? Checking in throughout the body, just noticing the quality of your edges. And maybe there is a buzzing or a pulsing, a vibration, a tingling, or maybe they're just very quiet or they're charged. All is welcome, all is good. And if it feels supportive, you can breathe into your edges. Feeling them maybe slightly expand with each breath. Knowing that these edges are not permanent. And getting curious again about the edges. Notice if there's any tiny or medium or big imagery around the edges of your body. Maybe there's a color or texture or something else. And is this image moving a bit, or is it still? And notice where you begin and where the space around you meets you, or where do you end? Feeling yourself in the space, the larger room. And getting curious again about any heat at the edges of the body, or any energy that may have shifted. Without grasping or efforting, just being curious softly. Maybe there's a little flow or some kind of movement there. And if there's not, that's great too. Maybe they're very stable, steady. Notice how your edges are changing. And if you like, you can rest for the last minute in your edges, or you could experiment with feeling your edges, whatever feels more supportive, just with your hands, feeling where you end. Just before we end, taking a few big breaths to the whole body, breathing in calmness if it's needed. And when you're ready, opening your eyes, returning to the bigger space around you, and maybe just taking a look at something that feels pleasant, orienting out of the body. And that brings us to the end of our practice, friends. And feel free to stick around if you want to chat about edges or take off and go through your day with your boundaries. Good luck.